Good morning, children. In the last class, we learnt about the cells, how to make our own liquid cell and how it will be the dry cell. Okay. Finally, we came to know that in the cells, chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Okay. Today we are going to see symbols of electric components. Symbols of electric components. All we know, symbols are playing very important role in our day-to-day life. They are playing very important role. All we know, addition is represented by plus, subtraction by minus, multiplication by cross, into division by division symbol also all you know. Okay, greater than, less than, equal to, like this we are using many symbols. Okay, some common electric components also represent by standard symbols. Okay, we can see now. See, cell. Cell. Already in the last class we prepared this cell now. For the cell, all we know how will be the cell. It is the symbol for cell is like this. One long line and one short line. Long line indicates the positive terminal and the short line indicates the negative terminal. This is the symbol of cell. Okay, next. Battery. If two or more join together and forms the battery. This is the cell now. Plus minus. Plus minus. Two or more cells join together to form a battery. This is the symbol of battery. Next, switch. Switch in on position. Fourth one. Switch off position. C. This is the symbol of switch in on position. If there is no connection, this is the symbol of switch in off position. Switch is also called as a key. Switch is also called as a key. In the on position, the symbol is like this, and in the off position the symbol is like this. Next, bulb. Bulb on, bulb off. Okay, on means it will glow now. Okay, bulb off, it will not glow. Okay, bulb on position means if you on the bulb it will glow now, like this. If the bulb is off, bulb will not glow now, it will be like this. Next, fuse. Fuse means it is the safety device used in the electric circuits. The symbol of fuse is like this. This is the symbol of cell. It is having the long line and the short line. Long line indicates the positive terminal and the short line indicates the negative terminal. Okay. Battery. Two or more cells join together to form the battery. Okay. Two cells in కలిపితే మనకి బ్యాటరీ. టూ కానీ అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కానీ సెల్స్ కలిసినప్పుడు మనకి బ్యాటరీ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్, స్విచ్ ఆన్. స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు దాని సింబల్ అనేది ఇలా ఉంటుంది. స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇది కనుక ఓపెన్ అయి ఉంటే మధ్యలో దాన్ని స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ పొజిషన్ అంటాం. బల్బ్ ఆన్ బల్బ్ అనమాట. ఆఫ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు గ్లోయింగ్ అనమాట. ఇది వెలుగుతున్నప్పుడు మనకి కాంతి వస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని ఇలా ఇండికేట్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూజ్. ఫ్యూజ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ది సేఫ్టీ డివైస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్. ఓకే. What is electric circuit? Okay. Electric circuit. Okay. Already you have learnt in the 6th class. Again I am showing you. This is the cell, connecting wires, bulb, glowing. Okay, and there will be, it is connected to the switch. Okay, cell, bulb, switch. Okay, this is the electric circuit. That means the path of electricity to flow between the cell and the bulb. The connection between, it is the path of electricity to flow between the cell and the bulb is called the electric circuit. ఓకే. ఆ పాత్ని ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ పాత్ సెల్ నుంచి బల్బ్ వరకు ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఒక దారిలో వెళ్తుంది కదా, ఆ పాత్ని మనం ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సర్క్యూట్ అంటాం. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సర్క్యూట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పాత్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ టు ఫ్లో బిట్వీన్ ది సెల్ అండ్ ది బల్బ్. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ దీస్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ cell, switch, bulb, if they are represented by the symbols, that is called the circuit diagram. This is the circuit. If these electric components are represented by the symbols, then it is said to be circuit diagram. What is circuit? It is a path of electricity to flow between the cell and the bulb. If the electric components in the circuit, if they are represented by the symbols, then it is said to be circuit diagram. Okay. Cell. All we know the symbols, no? This is the cell and bulb symbol. This is the bulb and switch symbol. Here switch is in on position, so the bulb will glow. This is the circuit diagram. Cell. The circuit diagram must have the source of electric energy. It may be the cell or battery, and it must contain one switch. It must contain one switch. It can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Okay, if the switch is on, the circuit is said to be complete circuit. The circuit is said to be complete circuit. So in this circuit, electricity will flow from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell. Okay, the circuit is said to be complete circuit or closed circuit. Okay, if the switch is in on position, that circuit is said to be complete circuit. Then that means in the circuit from the positive terminal to the electrical energy will flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell or battery. Circuit diagram, it contains a, it must have compulsory, it must have a source of electrical energy. It may be a cell or battery. Okay, in a circuit diagram, switch can be placed anywhere. If the switch is in on position, electrical energy will flow from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal. So it is said to be closed circuit or complete circuit. If the switch is in off position, if the switch is in off position, the electrical energy cannot flow. A switch is off, now that a circuit is not closed, it is the open circuit. Here there is a gap now, that wires, connecting wires also should not have any gaps, then only electrical energy will flow throughout the circuit. Here switch is open, so no electricity can flow through this circuit. Okay, if the switch is open, it is said to be open circuit. Or if there is any gaps in the wires also, electricity will not flow through that circuit. There must not be any gaps in the wires. Okay, if the switch is open, it is said to be open circuit. In the open circuit, electrical energy cannot flow through that circuit. What is the sequence of electric components in a circuit? Sequence of electric components. Positive terminal of the cell or battery. Positive terminal. Next wire. Connecting wire. Okay. I am coming again to here. Wire after switch. Switch after wire. Wire after bulb. Bulb after wire to negative terminal of the cell. Now only we have seen the circuit diagram. Now in that circuit diagram, what is the sequence of the electric components means? First positive terminal of the cell, next wire, connecting wire, after that switch after again wire after bulb after wire after negative terminal of the cell. This is the sequence of the electric components. Okay. What we have seen today, we have seen these symbols of some common electric components. Okay, and circuit diagram. What is circuit? Circuit means it is the path of electricity to flow in the to flow from the cell to flow in between the cell and the bulb. Okay, what is circuit diagram means? If the electric components in the circuit, if they are represented by the symbols, it can be said as a circuit diagram. If the electric components in the circuit are represented by symbols, it is said to be circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, compulsorily there must be a source of electrical energy. It may be cell or battery. The switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit, and if the switch is in on position, the circuit is said to be closed circuit. There should not be any gaps in between the wires also. Then only that electrical energy flows from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell. Okay, there should not be any gaps. Then only it is said to be closed circuit. Okay, if the switch is in open, if the switch is open, it is said to be open circuit. Then electricity will not flow through that circuit. If there is any gap in the wires also, electricity will, it is said to be open circuit. Electricity will not flow through that circuit. We have seen the sequence of electric components in the circuit diagram. Okay, thank you.